In this video, I'm gonna show you how to automatically turn your Philips Hue lights on when you get home. Stay tuned. What's up guys? Welcome to Dial Home Tech. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to automatically turn your Philips Hue lights on when you get home so you don't have to walk into a dark house anymore. If you're new here and you wanna learn about new home technology, smart home automation, and watch some tech reviews, then please make sure to click on that subscribe button. Alright, so let's take a look at how you actually turn your lights on when you're getting home without having to pull out your phone and use your app or having to walk into a dark house and flip a manual switch. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is actually open up your Philips Hue application and tap on the routines option, second to the left at the bottom of the app. Right after that, you want to tap on home and away. And this is where an important part comes in. You definitely want to flip that little toggle of location aware, because that's what your Philips Hue system is actually going to use to figure out if you're actually coming home. Once you turn it on, all you have to do is just tap on a coming home option, and then you can actually select which lights you want to turn on when you're getting home. So if you have lights just at the porch, or if you have a foyer, or if you want to turn a bedroom light or something, you can actually pick whichever light you want, as well as all of your Philips Hue lights in the house. After that, you can actually pick a scene that you want. There are a few presets there, so just make a selection on that list. And then last but not least, you can actually turn an option called Only After Sunset, which is actually really helpful because if you're coming home during the day, you don't really need to turn your lights on, or you don't want to do that. It actually helps you save some money by not having your lights on when you're actually in the house during the day. Once you've turned it on, you can hit save, and there you go. You actually set up your lights to automatically turn on when you get home so you don't have to walk into a dark house anymore. If you found any value on this quick smart tip, then please don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to check me out on social media at @DialHomeTech, on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, where I post daily and weekly snippets about home automation and smart home technology. Well guys, this about wraps it up for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Dial. See ya.